Alright guys, I've gotten the rebuild kit in this morning and fixing to take this pump. Got it all clean and gonna put it together and see if we can pump some fuel, man. Get this thing running. Stay tuned. Hey guys, just a little tip here on how to replace the front seal in this calf pump. If you're getting diesel in your oil, this is your problem. Listen, you don't need no special tools to replace this seal. Basically just stick your 2 bolts in here. Get your Allen wrench. Get you a screwdriver. Like so. Well, actually, like so. Alright. There we go. And just hold on. Loosen her up. Pull your Allen bolt out. Now you can do this without taking the pump apart completely. Just slide your front off. Slot washers out. If you'll notice, you have splines inside, if this camera's picking it up, and you have one that's different, so it will only go one way. Your seal is right here, and just take a screwdriver and carefully pry it out. And that's all there is to it. Now, you can use a seal installer to install your new seal, or you can do like I've done for years. I have a seal installer, but to be honest with you, just a flat socket or an extension, very lightly tapping around works perfect. So that's all there is to the front seal. Now, I've gotten the top rebuilt off camera. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just want to you just take your nut off and slowly push the shaft down, and there's 2 O-rings on the shaft, and replace those O-rings. If you ever have any diesel fuel leaking up on top of your pump, that's what's going on. Your O-rings are bad. I also replaced the 2 O-rings on the throttle itself, so that's ready to go. Now I'm going to put this seal in off camera, and I'll be back with you. Alright guys, welcome back. I've got the injector pump completely rebuilt. All new seals and everything. The servo was stuck in there, as you know, and the pump plungers was the main problem. That's why it was not pumping. They were stuck, and of course it was filled with old diesel that had corona bacteria, and it just was a mess, complete mess. So it's all cleaned out now, and I've already bled the air off of it, and I got to noticing, I heard a noise. I thought the daggone front main bearing was supposed to come out of the thing. And on further inspection, I found the issue. And I'm hoping you can see this. Let's see, I think it's picking it up. The water pump front bearing is shot. You can probably hear it. You can definitely hear it when it's running. This is not something that happened while sitting. This has been bad for a while. And so we can get him a new water pump put on there and to get his oil changed. No, I think he'll be good to go. So let's hear it run. See if it'll fire up this morning. Oh yeah. So hey guys, if you have any questions on anything, just leave a comment below. I'll try to help you out. I'm not by no means an injector pump specialist. I usually just fix everything that comes my way, basically. But I did notice while we had this thing running, I checked the to see if we was putting out any voltage, and as of right now, we're not charging. So he may have an alternator problem or a wiring problem, I'm not sure. But it's not good to leave these tractors sitting for so long, especially a diesel. You need to get out and crank them up or get some additive, put in the fuel. Hope that helps. Y'all take care.